और ये पास्ता मेकर है और ये खाना बनाऊंगा. Watch this trick. Watch this trick. Watch this trick. Watch this trick. Where did it go?
Oh, where did it go? It was here.
Welcome to Prayan's World. I'm making crazy stuff.
These are crazy stuff.
These crazy stuff. These crazy. My Play-Doh set.
What is this?
My Play-Doh set. Not to be 1 year old or 2 year old.
You need to be 3 years old to play this set.
Yes. You can also play with this as 100 years. Let's open the box. It opens from here. Let's open the box. Let's put all the pieces. What is this? Look what they do in the box. There's 5 colored Play-Dohs. 5 colored Play-Dohs. There's red in the first one, and yellow in the second one, and the third one is white, and the fourth one is green, and the fifth one is blue. Someone's name is blue. Here's the egg principle. Here's yellow. Here's the Play-Doh. Here is the red Play-Doh. Here's the blue Play-Doh. Here is the white Play-Doh. And the green Play-Doh. And the green Play-Doh. And we have this, and we have this. This is the top of this. Yes, we put this there. These are the 2 spaghetti rings.
Oh.
These go inside the machine. And you can change it. See, we have 2 of them.
Yes, you have 2 of them. What is the difference?
This is the fixie one and this is the straight.
Let's try it out.
Let's see how it makes the straight. Okay, then we close it.
Good job.
Now I'm playing the blue Play-Doh. This here, playing the blue Play-Doh. Look at the Play-Doh. Look at this Play-Doh. How? Which color is it?
Blue in color.
And look at this Play-Doh box. And look at the Play-Doh box lid.
Oh, that's also blue in color. So that's how you recognize which Play-Doh is it.
Yes, and look at the other.
Yes, the lid tells us which color Play-Doh it is.
Yes. Watch this trick. Watch this trick. Watch this trick. Watch this trick. Where did it go?
Oh, where did it go? It was here.
And first we need to the brick. And look, it's not coming out.
Why is it not coming out?
First you need to turn this handle.
Okay.
See? Look now. Please subscribe and hit the bell button.
Hey, this is amazing.
And there's some molds. Flip the bowl over.
Flip the bowl over. There are some molds. This is a leaf and a corn.
And this.
Wow, some pasta shapes.
And look here.
Star, some spiral pasta fusilli, some egg, and some bacon and a pizza, tomato, and so many
And
things.
some bacon.
Bacon, right. And then on the sides as well. Oh, some carrots. What's this? I don't know. This looks like a weird tool.
This is a pasta maker as well.
This is
It's a small one.
Can you show how it makes?
Yes, but you need to flat it down.
Hmm.
And you need to put it.
Hmm.
This side is a bus. This is a different bus, and this is a different bus.
Okay.
So let's make this one first. Now you need to pop it out. Now you need to get it out.
Wow, a nice shape. Wow, it's a bow pasta. Looks really yummy.
But it's not edible.
It's not edible.
No,
Why?
because it's just Play-Doh. So you must not eat it.
Just not eat it.
What?
This. What's this?
A grater.
A grater.
And we put the grater here and we grate it.
Hold the handle up
Yeah.
and then grate.
And look what it did.
It grated the cheese, just like cheese grater.
What?
It just looks like blue cheese.
Just like the light over there.
Oh, yes.
Oh, the pasta gets out of the handle. 3, 2, 1, go. And now it's going. It should be this. Oh, it should be that way. See how the stuff gets out. Oh, it just jumps off.
Yeah.
It feels like soft Play-Doh. It feels like waves. It feels like waves. Look how many pieces.
How many pieces? Ooh, that's a lot of pieces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What do we have to do? Tell me. Read it and tell me.
Roll.
Hmm.
Put in 3 colors. This blue. We need to put 4 colors in this.
Hmm.
We need to put 1 to roll it, and 2 put the 3 Play-Dohs into there.
Hmm.
Put the 4 Play-Dohs into there, and 3 close it, and 4 open it. Then you will see what it did. Clean this there. Open it. Oh well, make this. It's a pretty. I think you need green here and green here, and blue here and blue here, and orange here and blue here and orange here. I'm making crazy stuff. Making crazy stuff.
These are crazy stuff.
Yes. Are these crazy stuff? Are these crazy? Are these crazy?
Are these crazy?
Are these crazy? Look, I have a trick to tell you.
What is that trick?
Please subscribe and hit the bell button.
Wow, that's how you get it out.
Yes. Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm mixing these 2 colors
Why?
because we can make orange.
Oh, try it out.
It's turning on. Now we need a green and red again. And orange. Snap off. And we're not mixing it.
Okay.
Now put the other colors and put the same color, different colors here.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Put these here. Put these. Wow. They mix together. magic tricks.
Show me. Where did the Play-Doh go? Oh, it's stuck on this. Wow. What is this? What is this?
A knife.
Okay.
It got stuck. Zigzag. Look.
Wow. Look at this. Oh, what is it? It's an orange, red, and green pasta.